In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an N8N account for free. So watch till the end and then you will be able to create an N8N account. So let's get started. First, search for N8N and then click on n8n.io. And this is the N8N official site. After that, go to the top right and then here you will see get started button. Just click on that. Now you need to fill out this form. First, enter your full name, enter a password. Finally, click on start free trial. Got it. Now it will take a few moments. Just wait. Now fill out the survey form. Skip. After that, click on start automating. And there you go. We have successfully created an N8N account. Now you can create your workflow. Just click on create workflow. And then you will see 14 days left for your free trial. And you will get 1000 execution. So now you can add nodes. Just click on plus icon and then you can add trigger. So that's how you can create an N8N account. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.